All right, it's time again for American Media's Ask the Expert segment. This is where we choose an industry, a small business that's local, that experts reside and that they function at a high level of expertise, which means it's exclusive to the 4 states. And you can only see it right here. For the best spa, we've chosen La Boussole, the experts, medical spa and wellness center. Isn't this place gorgeous? Let's go take a look. All right, Dr. Hanley, we came downstairs here at La Boussole, and we're asking the experts, by the way, and I heard there were lasers. And
Yes.
so I was like, take me to the laser room.
Okay, so this is the laser room. This is one of our lasers, okay? And this is a beast. This is a workhorse. It covers a lot of territory.
Yeah.
It does that resurfacing we talked about.
So that ties in with
With the Vizia.
with Vizia that I got.
Yes.
Okay, gotcha.
Yeah, so what is the device that I recommend for you to help make your skin better both now and in the future? And it's this guy.
This is it.
This is it. This is one of my favorites. It does laser resurfacing, which is amazing technology. Back in the day when someone talked about, well, how do I get rid of my fine wrinkles and do all this stuff? They basically lasered off all your skin, right? And then
Wow.
you had to grow it back. There's a lot of wound care. It was painful, but you got amazing results.
Sure.
Well, these days, what we realize is we don't have to do all of that damage to get great results.
Nice.
And so what this machine does is it goes in and it tunnels down and it does damage in very targeted, selective areas, but you still keep the integrity of the skin. And what that allows for is the results of improved texture,
Yeah.
right? So the pores again,
Right.
fine wrinkles, that gets better. The skin gets tighter, and you're starting to address the old skin, the pigment underneath, and you're making all of these improvements. You're killing acne, bacteria.
Yeah.
You're just getting this new, fresh skin, but your downtime is minimal.
And you're taking care of some of the damage that
You're
has been done over the
taking care of
years?
some of the damage. And what's really, 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 really awesome and
Yeah.
nobody talks about, this is good for brown people. Lasers
Yes.
was a Caucasian game
Okay.
because lasers see light, they see color, right? And
Right.
we got extra color.
Right.
And so we were not part of the laser conversation. It was too damaging for
Yeah.
our skin. But now there is something there
Huh.
that we can take care of ourselves too.
That is very interesting.
It is super cool.
It's why you guys are on the cutting edge, really, when it comes to all of this, not just skincare, but health and wellness. You bring in the newest equipment.
Right.
You're studying the newest techniques and theories.
And we're finding something for everyone. So whatever complexion you are,
Yeah.
right? Male and female, it doesn't matter because we have the technology now to really start to address your concerns. It's not just a select group of people anymore.
Even male, talk about that, because again, when you think of spa, you think female.
Yes.
But men are, well, I've proven that men are in just as much need.
Yes. And guys have all the same concerns women do. They just express it differently, right? So guys actually do care about wrinkling. They care about aging. They care about sun damage, right? They also care about just general wellness and feeling better. They care about cancer prevention. They care about just long-term management and aging gracefully.
Yeah.
Right? That's language we always reserve for women, but guys are expressing that more.
Absolutely.
And we actually do have a lot of male clients. We'd like to have more.
Yeah.
But guys don't realize, like, yes, you can really do these great things for yourself. And you're not a prima donna for doing it. You're just being wise.
And you don't have to look like a lumberjack your whole
You
life.
don't,
Come on.
exactly.
You know?
But you can
if you want to.
if you want to. But we can still halo that.
That's good.
Yes,
That's good.
we absolutely can.
Dr. Hanley, here at La Boussole, I tell you what, this is a pretty amazing place. And no wonder they're on Ask the Experts. While we're down here, I want you to show us some of the other things you guys do here as well. What are we looking at?
So this device in particular is called a Tixel, and we love it. We keep talking about darker pigmentation. This is a wonderful machine, again, to address people of different skin tones. But why we really love it is this device can get really close to the eyes and around the mouth.
Gotcha.
And with lasers, you do have to be careful with that. But with this, we can go around the orbit of the eye and even go over the eyelid and give people a mini blepharoplasty. So a mini eyelid lift.
Nice.
Yes. So this isn't the same thing as a full bleph, but this will really lift and tighten around the eye.
Sure.
And diminish all those fine lines and wrinkles. And for people who have really bad smoker's lines, this is the ticket right here. This will really smooth everything out.
That's why it's called the Tixel.
That is why it's
That's
called
the
the Tixel. Yeah. If you look behind you, you see we have a little bit of marketing for some of the fillers and the neurotoxins that we carry. So we do the full complement of neurotoxins, fillers, and we've also added what's called biostimulators.
Tell me about that.
That is exciting stuff. And I absolutely love it. So when we do something like a filler, we're taking hyaluronic acid, which is really pudding water, and we're injecting it and causing some plumping and lifting into the parts of the face that start to sink with age.
Gotcha.
And what that does is it makes you look fresher and younger, right? However, if we dig deeper and we say, well, what's really going on as we age? What's happening is the fat pad underneath is starting to atrophy. Certain muscles get tighter, certain muscles get looser, and the face essentially sinks and drops. And that's really what we look like. So how do we make that better? We use a biostimulator. We inject that, and what it does is it stimulates your body to make its own collagen. So from the inside out, you not only get fullness, but you start to get lift.
Oh.
Yes, and there is nothing else like that that really starts to rebuild the structure internally. And so you look younger, you look fuller, you look hydrated, you look refreshed, but you don't have the heaviness that filler can sometimes cause. And that looks artificial in older people.
It seems like you're also helping stimulate the body to help heal itself.
Yes, you are tapping into the body's own hacking system and saying, okay, I know you can do this. Let me give you a little push. And it does.
That's fascinating.
It's lovely.